Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your iPhone keyboard not working properly. So if you're facing this problem, your iPhone keyboard might not work properly. Let's say you type a word, another word gets typed. All right, so I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix this problem. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Now let's move on. First step, what you want to do is make sure to switch off your phone, turn it on again. It should work. If it still doesn't work, what you need to do is you need to click on this little globe icon at the bottom of your keyboard. And what you want to do is go on keyboard settings. Once you go on keyboard settings, you want to go on keyboards. Once you go on keyboards, you want to choose the current keyboard which you're using. So I'm using English US, so I'm going to click on it, and it's going to give you multiple options. So choose other option, choose this option, try to type, it should work. If it doesn't, choose another option, try to type with it. If it doesn't work, choose another option. Just like this, try to switch from one into another and it should work. And if it still doesn't work, what you need to do is go on your iPhone settings. I'm going to go on my iPhone setting over here, and over here I'm going to go on where it says general. And over here on general, I'm going to go on software updates. And if there's any update available for my iPhone, I need to update it, because sometimes due to lack of updating your iPhone as well, some bugs and some problem is going to appear. And due to that, your keyboard might not be working properly. So make sure to update your iPhone to the latest version. And even after updating your iPhone, if it still didn't fix your problem, what you can do is you can check if the screen of your iPhone is working properly or not. Because sometimes due to your screen being damaged, your iPhone touch is not going to work properly. By touch, I mean your iPhone screen. You have to you have to touch on your iPhone screen in order to type, right? So if your screen is not working properly, then your touch is not going to be registered. And if your touch is not going to be registered, then basically your keyboard is not going to work. So that might also be the problem which is going to be causing your iPhone keyboard not to work properly. If that's the case, you need to take it to an iPhone repair center or like an Apple care center, and they'll fix it to you. All right, so yeah, these are the way on how you guys can fix this problem. If I was able to help you guys in any way, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Guide for future videos like this. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and peace out everybody.